Objective of work health and management system grade and build a healthy and safe workplace for everyone in the work environment. The organization is an academic that gives quality education to domestic and international students. There are some potential risks about the following: stress, manual handling, and so on. The current work health and safety plan including ensure access for team members to store work health and safety policy and procedure. Explain relevant provision of work health and safety registration and code of practice to team members. Regulate provide clear and accurate information on identify hazard and risk control procedure to team members. Provide opportunity and process for team members to consult and contribute on work health and safety issues according to academic policy. Function of work health and safety management system. Implement risk identification process and also risk control method. Conduct audit to determine whether the work health and safety system meet the legislative requirement. Ensure continuous improvement. Ensure the organization to provide training to the employee. Ensure to consult the SR and employee to discuss about the work health and safety issue. Evaluate the effectiveness of work health and safety and make requirement improvement. The form, content, purpose, and function of work health and safety management system and implementation. Structure of work health and safety including top management commitment and policy, provide guide or influence future decision is the basic upon which measurable objective and target and the work health and safety development. Plan how to deliver the work health and safety policy, objective and target to ensure hazard and arising from work activity are identified. Implementation. Implement the plan by development the capacity and support mechanism necessary to achieve the OHS policy, objective and target. Measure and evaluate work health and safety performance to determine the effectiveness of risk management and if necessary take preventative and corrective action. Review and improvement including continually improve the system with the objective of improving work health and safety performance. Briefing on new policy. Management is primarily commitment to policy enabling all work activity to be carried out safely and all possible measures taken to remove or at least reduce risk to health, safety and welfare of workers, contractors, authorized visitors and anyone else who may be affected by our operation. We are committed to ensure we comply with the Work Health and Safety Act 2012, the Work Health and Safety Regulation 2012 and applicable code of practice and Australian standard as far as possible. New Work Health and Safety Plan. In order to ensure the success of the Work Health and Safety Plan, there are a few requirements to meet including injury management, develop a coordinate and manage program that integrates all aspects of injury management for the purpose of achieving optimal results. Documentation policy control work health and safety documents are used to ensure consistency and uniformity in the application of procedure and providing an auditable trail of activity. Planning, identification of hazard and risk management, a control system of policy, procedure, process, and the necessary tools exist for hazard and risk to be identified and ranked. Work health and safety record must be kept for 5 years unless paragraph applies or the life of the plan or until the person releases control of the plan if the plan is registered plan or has been altered. Obtain required resource for the implementation process of the action. Work health and safety plan implementation requirement. Conduct the audit, review the performance of work health and safety system, the detail and the target deadline, the step to identify potential risks by work health and safety manager, and the risk control is a step and action to undertake to solve risk, also in charge by work health and safety manager and supervisor. Work health and safety process including training and induction, and then work health and safety consultation process, consult with employee to obtain their opinion and idea. Maintain process, implement regular checkout for equipment and facility to avoid risk. And then work health and safety system review. Injury management system, conduct requirement, incident register and reporting tasks. Record keeping system, conduct the requirement work health and safety record keeping procedure to maintain the record. Record keeping policy, all records are kept with full detail. And then the problem is not clearly kept. Yes, we need to ensure more clearly information keep. And then the induction policy, all new employees need to attend the induction season. Not everyone participate in the induction. The supervisor need to make mandatory requests to new staff. Incident report system, all employees know how to complete the incident register, meet the requirement. And then the risk identification procedure, risk could be identified in advance. Some staff not sure about the procedure. Provide relevant training for the staff who have skill gap. Review improvement requirement of work health and safety management system. Involve the policy into organization SAP system to make sure it need to be complete according. Collect feedback from employees to identify the requirement area to make improvement like the cost, design, or delivery method. Review the effectiveness of risk control measure to make necessary modification or change to ensure the performance of each risk control. Review the consolidation process and its performance to ensure to reach the expected goal to obtain agreement with employee regarding work health and safety policy. Record feedback, suggestion and outcome from stakeholder. Detail of Health and Safety Committee. The committee is the consultation platform for the organization to discuss with employee and SSR about the work health and safety issue in the place every 3 months. The duty officer need to provide the requirement information and support the employee to ensure they have necessary knowledge and training to deal with the risk, and participate in making decisions that affect the business, ensure that the business or undertaking compliant with relevant duty and obligation. And then position people science agent, and then next is the consolidation and communication record keeping. And this is also one of the record keeping. Work health and safety communication record keeping. This is also the record keeping. Stakeholder present is including Dave, Lance, John, Sammy, and Frankie. Thank you.